Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is officially weigh-in day and I am sitting outside. It is a beautiful day here in Jersey, 80 degrees almost, and I am loving the weather. Have my tank top on, have my shorts on, getting ready to enjoy the day with my family. But anyway, just wanted to fill you in. So this week was extra special because I found myself really hungry, and I don't know if you want to call that special, but I was eating tons of voluminous food, just like the last video I posted where I showed you how to eat on a hungry day. That was pretty much my week, and I think coming from the heavy training and the surplus of food right to Optavia is such a cut and such a drastic change in calories, and still not cleared to go to the gym yet. Have another few weeks for that. So I found myself very hungry, and I think my body was just craving protein. So I upped my protein just a little bit, just adding about 1 to 2 ounces extra each day throughout the week. Cut all drinks except water, and actually I have allowed myself a Passion Tango unsweetened, no lemonade, no sugar, no nothing. It's pretty much just the Passion Tango extra ice and a little bit of water that they mix in there, and I get the venti size because I drink a lot during the day. So that's pretty much been my week. Now, interestingly enough, I've been hungrier and I've upped my protein, which means my calories were higher than what they should be on plan. So I was a little leery really for weigh-in day today, but pleasantly surprised as always, guys, because the plan works. The plan works. Follow the plan and you will lose weight no matter what. So you ready to hear what I lost this week? Here we go. Drum roll, please. This week I lost a total of 2.7 pounds. What? That's almost 3 pounds on an extra hungry week, eating tons of volume and adding extra protein in. Go figure. So I guess my body needed it. You know, you kind of got to listen to your body, but you got to stay on plan. What's great on Optavia is if you are a client of mine, I have provided you with the nutrition support number because you can contact them at any time and talk to these nutritionists. These are dietitian nutritionists that will really give you advice. I can guide you and help you, but they are the staple backbone of the company in regards to meals and things like that. So they always say you can up your protein by an extra ounce or two, a little bit here and there. Not every day, but I did mine every day. You know, I still have some muscle on me, so I think my body just demanded some extra calories. And remember, I am not doing this to lose a ton of weight. I'm already at my goal. I just want to take off another maybe 10 pounds. We'll see what happens. But anyway, so that's 2.7 and 1.2 last time. So figure it out. I'm almost down 4 pounds in 2 weeks, which is great for me. So yeah, we're gonna keep going. I've been making quite a few videos, posting them this week. You guys seem to love my lean and green ideas, so I will be making more of those. A couple of you were asking me about these earrings. They flip around, they drive me crazy, but they're so cute and they go with everything. I got these last summer. Oh my gosh, I think I got these at Loft, I think. I don't remember, guys. Don't kill me here. If I remember, I'll put it in the link. But this is like the big thing this year, these little tassel-y earrings. And I love these because they're kind of bright. They go with everything. They go with black, white, any colors. I just love them. So that's my weigh-in video, guys. Down almost 4 pounds in 2 weeks. And I will keep going and keep updating you. So have a great day. Stay focused. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.